to my YouTube channel. My name is Roxanne, the Tiny Taster, and today's recipe is another fantastic Parsi one. It is a Lagan Patio. Now, I've done a Patio recipe on the channel before. It was a prawn Patio or Kolmi Patio, and this one is a little bit different from that. This is a fish Patio. We call it Lagan Patio because typically it's made on any wedding or days leading up to a wedding or any kind of celebration. It is a little bit different from the prawn Patio just in terms of texture and a couple of ingredients. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you want more Parsi recipes, as always, please subscribe to this channel and go back and have a look. I'll link some down below as well. I've got a ton by now, so I'm very impressed with that. If you like the video, give it a big fat like, share it with all your friends, and leave me a comment. I always want to hear from you. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe, and without any further ado, let's get cooking. Now, this is a Lagan Patio, which is a fish patio. So your main ingredient is fish. You could use ravas or pomfret or any fish you like. I've used pomfret. I've just marinated it with some turmeric powder and some red chili powder. You're also going to need a little bit of chopped coconut, some soaked red chilies, cumin seeds, garlic, few cashew nuts, and some chopped tomatoes. It'll all be ground down together to make a nice thick paste. You'll also need some vinegar or some tamarind juice. You'll need salt and either sugar or jaggery. Pop in all your ingredients into a mixer grinder and just grind it down into a nice thick paste. I love this fiery orange color. And then you just pop it in a pan with some oil and let this paste fry and cook for a good 6 to 7 minutes. After about 6 to 7 minutes, you will start to notice some oil separating from this paste. This is a good sign. It means that the paste is finally starting to cook. Just continue, and you can add in your sugar or jaggery as well as the salt and just mix it all through. After about a minute or so, add in your vinegar. I've used that typical Kola Parsi vinegar. You can also use just some tamarind water, not too much. You don't want to make it very sour. Now you add in a little bit of water, but I must warn you, I've added too much. You want to add a little bit less than this because you don't want it to be a complete curry-like consistency. You want to be just a little bit thick and a little bit runny, not like a full curry. But once you've added in the water and cooked it for about a minute or so, you can add in your fish. Just make sure that the curry is cooked for a total of 10 minutes before you add in your fish, just so that it's not raw. The fish will take about 5 to 7 minutes to cook. It's very delicate, it doesn't take too long. So you can just gently stir it, don't break the fish, and just pour some curry over it and let it cook. I keep saying curry. This is not a curry. It is a patio. It is the Lagan Patio. I just keep saying curry because the texture looks so much like it. It's a little bit runny. But at this stage, once the fish is cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes, you're completely done. You can serve this hot with a nice bed of white rice. That's really how we eat it. Please make sure to check for seasoning, just that there's enough salt and there's enough sugar. It's not too sweet, not too spicy, and it has a little hint of sourness. That's really how the patio is. Serve it up, eat it fresh, enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. If you have, please don't forget to give it a like and a comment, and of course subscribe to the channel and share it with all your friends. I'll see you guys very soon.